Detailing 101, tire dressings. Hi, I'm Ivan, this is DIY Detail. In this video, we're going to explore dressing your tire. We first cleaned and made sure the tire was dry with all clean, diluted 15:1, made sure that the tire is now ready to accept the tire dressing. The tire dressing will last longer if you have a clean, dry tire to start with. We're using a brush for application, and 2 or 3 sprays is all you need. The advantage of a brush is we're going to get into these little sipe lines. And once we do that, your tire will look better, but also will be protected against UV and other environmental damage. Just slowly make your way around the tire. The reason we prefer a brush over any other applicator as well is it allows you really good control getting close to the rim. So if you have beautiful aluminum wheels, you don't want to get tire dressing on them. So we can actually sit the edge of the brush in and get in that area without getting any on the wheel. We continue working around the tire, working the tire dressing in. You don't want to lather it on. You just want a nice even coating. If you like more of a glazed donut look or a shinier look, what we had back in the 70s and 80s, then give it 15 minutes and add a second application. Just going to put a little right on the edge of the brush. That way I can easily work it into this area. And go back over it to pick up any excess. And there we go. Tire dressing. It's going to make your tires last longer, look better, and now they're protected from UV. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, please leave them below. And join us in the next Detailing 101.